Okay, today we will be discussing a comprehensive illustration on residential status, which will be covering both basic condition. Okay, first we will apply the basic condition, then we will understand when to apply additional condition and also discuss the additional condition. So both these things, basic condition as well as additional condition, will be covered in this illustration. So this is a comprehensive illustration of the residential status of the individual. So let us read this illustration. Mr. XYZ comes to India on 1st July 2020, leaves India on 30 November 2020. So he is coming on 1st July 2020 and going back on 30 November 2020. So this is the relevant previous year. Our relevant previous year will be 2021. So all other previous year will be preceding previous year. So this we have already understood what is the relevant previous year and what is the preceding previous year. Okay, so 20 July and 20 November comes under this relevant previous year 2021. And if you will see this question, here past data is given for 10 years. If you will see, here we are given the data of Mr. XYZ, his number of days stayed for past 10 years is given. For how many days he was in India during the following years? 10 years. If you will count this, it will be 10 years. This is known as preceding previous year. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11. That is 10 years. So 10-year data is given. So this is the 10th year. So all this will be convert your preceding previous year. Relevant previous year is the 2021, for which we will determine the residential status of XYZ. So all the previous year, other previous year will become the preceding previous years. Okay, this much everybody understood. This we have discussed in the last class also. What is the relevant previous year and what is the preceding previous year. So now we will understand this illustration, how to solve this. Illustration number 4. So name of the SSC. Name of the SSC is Mr. XYZ. Name of the SSC Mr. XYZ. XYZ. Relevant previous year. Relevant previous year is 2020-21. So what will be the relevant assessment year? What will be the relevant assessment year? 21-22. Okay. Now we know that we will always start from the relevant previous year, which is required. So first we will calculate for how many days Mr. XYZ was in India during 2021. So number of days Mr. XYZ stayed in India during previous year, that is a relevant previous year 2021. That everybody can calculate. He came to India on 1st July and went back on 30 November. So for how many days he was in India, that we can calculate. July, August he was in India, September he was in India, October he was in India, November also he was in India. July, when he comes on 1st July, means full July he was in India for 31 days. August he was in India only for 31 days. September he was for 30 days. October 31, and November he is going back on 30. So we can say entire November he was in India only. So if we will do the total, for how many days he was in India? 153 days. So total days stayed in India during previous year 2021. So Mr. XYZ stayed in India for 153 days during 2021. Now let us come to the basic condition one. What is the first basic condition? First basic condition says that individual should have been stayed for at least 182 days. So whether this condition is satisfied, first basic condition is satisfied? No. Because here XYZ is staying in India only for 153 days. So we know that first basic condition is not satisfied. So you can write and keep first basic condition not satisfied. Now we will have to check for the second basic condition. How can we check for the second basic condition? For checking second basic condition, two parts are there. In India, he should have stayed for 60 days during relevant previous year, and during 4 preceding previous year, he should have stayed for at least 365 days. So we will have to check both this condition, sub condition, before we can say that condition number 2 is getting satisfied, basic condition. So let us check that. So second basic condition, how we will check? Checking second basic condition. For second basic condition, two things are there. During relevant previous year 2021 and 4 years, you have to go backwards. Okay. So 4 years will be how? 1920, 1890, 1718, and 1617. So already we have given the number of days directly. So no need of that much calculation. In 1920 he was in India for how many days? 100 days he was. In 2021, 1819 he was in India for how many days? 50 days. In 1718 he was in India for how many days? 150 days. And in 1617 he was in India for how many days? 100 days. And in 2021 we know that he was in India for 150 days, which we have already calculated. So this, no need of calculating again. This we are already having 153 days he was in India. Okay, 153 days. Now what we have to do? What we have to do? We have to do the total of this 4 years. How much it is? 400 days. So now let us check second condition is satisfied or not. Everybody can check and analyze whether second basic condition is getting satisfied. Second basic condition says that during relevant previous year minimum 60 and during 4 years minimum 365. Whether that is getting satisfied, yes or no. Everybody check the solution. Whether basic second basic condition is satisfied, yes. In 2021 he was for 153 days, which is more than 60. And in yes, in 4 years previous, he was for 400 days in India. This is also getting satisfied. Why? Because see, again see, during relevant previous or only 60 days is required, and in 4 year total should be 365. and our answer both are more only, year 153 and year 400. So we can say that second basic condition is satisfied. Second, second basic condition is satisfied, hence Mr. XYZ is a resident in India. XYZ, Mr. XYZ resident is a resident in India during previous year 2021. So this is how you have to check the basic condition. Now see, first basic condition not satisfied. Okay. Second basic condition is satisfied. So we concluded that Mr. XYZ is a resident in India because only one of the basic condition is required to be satisfied for becoming resident in India during the previous year. Now, since he is a resident in India, we will have to go for the additional condition. Okay, since XYZ is a resident in India during the previous year, we will have to check the additional condition also. So now we will have to apply the additional condition because we got the answer as resident by applying the basic condition. Suppose if by applying the basic condition answer was non-resident, then you should stop the answer there only. No need of going for additional condition. Okay. Here by applying the basic condition, we got the answer as resident. Then we will go for the additional condition. So before two additional conditions are there and the rule says that both the conditions should be satisfied. Okay, if one additional condition is satisfied now, then it is no use. Okay, if one additional condition is there, then it is of no use. Both the additional conditions should be satisfied together to check whether the resident is ordinarily resident or not. Okay. Now we know that XYZ is a resident. Okay, now we have to check whether he is ordinary resident or not ordinary resident. For that, we will have to go for the additional condition. Okay, so now we will understand the additional conditions. Additional condition. Additional condition. And we will apply the additional condition only if our basic condition we get the answer as resident in India. Otherwise, we will not go for the additional condition. Because here we have to check whether the person is an ordinary resident or not ordinary resident. That we should check only if he is a resident. No? So first the basic condition should satisfy, then only we will go for the additional condition. Two additional conditions are there. Two additional conditions are there. So first additional condition we will check. First additional condition. So what is the first additional condition? Let us read. First additional condition is he should be resident in India in 2 out of 10 years preceding the relevant previous year. Now, for checking the additional condition, now no need of checking the relevant previous year. Now whatever data we will be using in additional condition, we will use the past year data only. Okay, because we know that now is a resident by applying the basic condition in the relevant previous year. Now for additional condition, no need of checking the relevant previous year again. So now we will check the past years only. Okay, in our question, relevant previous year is 2021. Now no need of again checking 2021 because we are already checked and found out that he is a resident in India during 2021. Now what is the additional conditions? First additional condition says that check in 10 years whether he was a resident in at least 2 years or not. Very interesting. Now we are given the 10-year data here. See, 10-year data is given. See, 10-year data is given from 1920 to 1011. Okay, past 10-year data is given here in this question. Just we have to see in this 10 year whether Mr. XYZ was a resident in any 2 years or not. Oh, we can check it is very simple. If you will note down to see 1920, 1890, 1780, 1670, 1560, 1450, 1340, 1213, 1112, and 1011. So 10 years are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here number of days is already given clearly. 19, 20, 100 days, 50 days, 150 days, 100 days, 182, 200, 50, 50, 100, 16, 17, 100 days, 182, 14, 15 is 200, 13, 14 is 182, and last 3 are 50. Check this previous year data, preceding previous year. Number of days, serial number. Everybody go through this data of past 10 years and tell whether you find whether XYZ was a resident in any 2 years in this 10 years. Firstly, go through this data of 10 years and tell whether Mr. XYZ was resident in any of this, any 2 years out of this 10 years. No need of checking more because we require only 2 years. By reading this data, whether you can tell in any of this year XYZ was a resident or not resident. Fastly tell. See, everything is before you only. We are having the 10-year data. From this data, we have to just tell whether in this 10 year XYZ was resident in any 2 years or not. Only you say 2 years. No need of checking all the years because condition says that only 2 years you check because condition is only saying no, only 2 year minimum is required. So why we will go for all the years? If our work will be over, if in out of this 10 year, if he was resident in any 2 years, we want to check only that much. Yes. See. Yes, very good. If you will see this data, even by looking only, you can say he was in resident in 1670 because, sorry, he was in resident in 1516. Obviously, he was a resident in 1450. And if you want, you take this also, but we will require only 2 years. See, very clear it is. In 1516 he was for 182 days, means he was a resident, yes. In 1415 he was for 200 days, he was a resident, and in 1314 also he was resident. So we can say that first additional condition is satisfied. So first additional condition is satisfied because first additional condition says that check the 10 previous year, past previous year, and tell whether he was resident for at least 2 years. So we are having here no, our answer 10 years. In 10 years, he was a resident for 3 years. Just by looking the data, he may be resident in other year also, but we don't want to check every year. We want to check only 2 years, and we can easily find out that he was resident in 1516, he was a resident in 1415 and 1314. Okay. So what we will write, first additional condition is satisfied. First additional condition is satisfied. Okay, so first additional condition is satisfied. Now we can go for the second additional condition. How we will check the second additional condition? For second additional condition, read the condition first. For second condition, we don't require 10-year data, we will require only 7-year data. Past 7-year data, first we will take that. Second additional condition. So past 7-year data, first we will copy from here only, 7-year only we require. No? What second condition says? Read fastly. In 7 years, total should be minimum 730 days. So if in past 7 years, if XYZ has stayed in India, total 730 days minimum, then this condition will also get satisfied. So this is a simple condition. Just what you have to do the total of this 7 years and see, we have got the answer. Total days stayed in 7 years is how much? Total days, total number of days stayed in 7 years, total number of days stayed in India during 7 preceding, or you can say preceding 7 years. 964 days he was in India, but as per the condition, we require only 730 days. So is this condition number 2 satisfied? Additional condition number 2, obviously it is satisfied because condition says that minimum should be 700. Here we are having more than 700. So second additional condition is also satisfied. Is satisfied. Now see, first condition is also satisfied, second condition is also satisfied. If both the additional conditions are satisfying, additional condition number 1 and additional condition number 2, we will say that individual is an ordinarily resident in India. We will say that individual is an ordinarily resident in India. Okay, therefore, since both the additional condition are satisfied, conditions are satisfied, Mr. XYZ is a ordinarily resident in India. Suppose if only one condition was satisfied, additional condition was satisfied, we will write he is a not ordinary resident. Only that much difference is there. Since here both the conditions are satisfied, condition 1 is also satisfied and condition 2 is also satisfied, he is an ordinary resident. Suppose condition 1 was satisfied and condition 2 is not satisfied, then he will become not ordinary. Okay, because both the conditions should be satisfied together. Additional condition, both should be satisfied. Suppose only condition 2 is satisfied and 1 is not satisfied, then also not ordinary. But in this case, both are satisfied. So he is an ordinary resident in India during previous year. So he is an ordinarily resident in India during previous year. Ordinary resident in India during previous year. India during previous year 2021. So this is how we have to apply the conditions.